If you want to see how I achieve these beautiful finger coils, keep on watching. So I started off with the penetrating leave-in conditioner treatment, followed that up with the everything butter, and then used the Perfect Coils curling jelly to achieve these perfect finger coils. So after I apply all of the products, I'm just brushing it through to make sure that all of the products are evenly distributed. And then I'm going to separate my hair into a smaller section and then just take little small pieces and coil them around using the Perfect Coils curling jelly. I was so happy to get to this last section because my arms were literally burning at this point, but these finger coils came out so beautiful. So here are a couple of looks at my wet results. I did sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then I let the rest of it air dry overnight. And here are some dry looks at my finger coils after sitting under the dryer for about 30 minutes. I am so happy with these finger coils. If you have not tried these products yet, I don't know what you are waiting for.